Gentlemen, let's be honest. If your erections feel weaker, performance softer, or sensitivity duller, it's not always just age. Often it's the way you've been masturbating for years. Private habits can literally train your body into erectile dysfunction. Today, I'll reveal 4 mistakes most men over 50 make, and how to fix them naturally for stronger erections, better prostate health, and renewed confidence. Mistake 1. Overusing adult content. Screens give endless novelty, but constant use rewires your brain. Real intimacy begins to feel slow or unsatisfying. Over time, you need stronger artificial cues to get aroused while natural sensitivity fades. The fix? Step away from the screen. Train your brain to respond to real sensations: touch, memory, imagination. First, it feels weaker. But within weeks, sensitivity rebounds, erections feel easier, and arousal becomes natural again. AI prompt. Mistake 2. Misusing edging. Edging can build stamina if done right, but many men push to the brink and stop again and again for long sessions. This confuses nerves, exhausts muscles, and lowers oxygen flow, leaving erections weaker and climaxes rushed. The fix? Balanced edging. Pull back earlier, keep sessions under 20 minutes, and allow natural release. Done correctly, edging strengthens control and pleasure instead of draining your system. Mistake 3. Rushing through it. In your 20s, rushing didn't matter. Testosterone was high, nerves sharp, circulation strong. But after 50, rushing robs erectile tissue of full oxygen. Erections weaken and release feels flat. The fix? Slow down. Focus on breathing deeply. It relaxes blood vessels and boosts nitric oxide. Let arousal build gradually. The result? Firmer erections, richer climax, and intimacy that feels like an experience, not a sprint. Mistake 4. The death grip. The infamous death grip. Tight, fast pressure. Intense at first, but over time, nerves desensitize and blood flow drops. Soon, light touch or partner intimacy feels weak. The fix? Loosen your grip. Use lighter pressure, slower rhythm, and add lubrication. Think of it as rehab for your nerves. At first, it feels less intense, but within weeks, sensitivity and natural pleasure return stronger than before. Gentlemen, ED isn't always about aging. It's about habits. The wrong ones weaken you. The right ones restore you. Step away from constant screens, practice balanced edging, slow down, and loosen your grip. Start tonight. These small changes retrain your body for strength, confidence, and pleasure at any age. If this helped, hit like, subscribe to Dr. Zoe Hartley, and share it with someone who needs to hear this.